The Curie's blank collaboration helped to unlock the secrets of the atom. Would friendly, competitive, courteous, industrious, or chemistry best fit this blank? Let's begin by locating the original wording in the text. The first paragraph tells us that Pierre and Marie's amicable collaboration later helped to unlock the secrets of the atom. The definition of the word amicable is friendly. Amicable can be broken into two parts, amic and able. Amic is a Latin root that we see in words like amity, meaning friendship, or the Spanish amigo, friend. Able is a suffix we see in words like edible, something you can eat, or readable, something you can read. Put together, amicable means friendly. Based on this, we can go down to our choices and select A, friendly, as our final answer.